Hey, my divas, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we will be discussing how to take care of your enhanced fingernails. All right, so I know you're probably like, Nisi, once I get my nails done or once I do my nails, that's it. There is no maintenance or self-care in, acrylics or gel nails or anything like that. Well, I had to learn the hard way, of course. But there is actually a few things you can do to make your sets last a lot longer and look a lot better for a longer period of time. So the first thing that you need to do and need to realize is that just because you have some acrylics on or some gel or some hard gel and it's not going anywhere, so you think, you feel that you can just submerge your hands in water, wash your hair, wash the dishes, bathe the kids, take showers, mop the floor, just wash the car, and you don't put on any gloves. Mistakes, the mistakes we make. The problem with that is you never know when one of your nails is actually lifting even just a tiny bit. You may not even be aware of it. And once that water gets trapped underneath your nail, you are asking for a fungus. You will definitely, by all means, get a greenie, okay? And then you won't be able to wear nails for however long it takes to grow that fungus out. And it's not fun and it's not cute. So wear gloves as much as you possibly can when you're washing dishes, when you're washing the car, probably even when you're bathing the kids. I mean, I even wear rubber gloves when I wash my hair because I know that there is a possibility there. I can't count the times where I didn't know that my enhanced nails were lifted. I mean, they looked perfectly fine, but then when I removed the set, there was a little, I'm going to admit it, a little fungus under there, and I had to treat it with the fungus stuff and the tea tree oil and all that kind of stuff. So it's not fun. Another reason why you would like to wear gloves as much as you possibly can when you are dealing with water is the fact that the water, the soap, the shampoo, all of those different things can definitely and seriously dry your hands out, which will cause your nail beds to be dry and just your hands will be looking all crusty. Well, look, you got nails on. You got your nails looking bomb. You don't want ashy hands, okay? You want your hands to be looking fire and moisturized. So wear those gloves, girl. I mean, this is life right here. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is an obvious thing. Lotion. Girl, get you some lotion and keep them hands moisturized, because lotion actually like absorbs into your skin. I know sometimes it may not be all the best ingredients and everything, but it provides a level of moisture and it just makes your hands look so much better because that's what you get your nails done for, so you can be cute. So we don't want to be cute with ashy hands. You can't be cute with ashy hands. That's impossible. It's like an oxymoron, okay? So keep your hands moisturized so your enhancements can look even better. Now, the last tip of taking care of your nail enhancements is cuticle oil. This is essential. You must use cuticle oil. If not every day on your cuticles, every other day. Because you have to take care of your cuticles, because once you get your nails done, your cuticles they've been, rough housed. They might be sore or damaged because of, the nail tech or yourself might have hit that cuticle a couple times and now it's all sore and then it gets dry and crusty. Use some nail oil. I mean, cuticle oil. on your nails as many times as you possibly can. Pay attention to your nails and keep them moisturized. And I showed you in another video about how I found these Aroma Guru oils from Dollar Tree. This one is the tea tree roll-on oil. And you know, tea tree is amazing for fungus, it's great for antibiotic and antifungal things. So if your cuticle has been cut or something, this is perfect to put on your cuticles to just make them feel better and to keep them from getting infected. So, what do you think? Do you think this is something that you might need to take into consideration? Care for your hands while you have your nails on. Make sure they're moisturized, because my cuticles would dry out, and a lot of times we don't think about the cuticles. We just think about dead skin. Oh, it's not important. But it actually is. It actually makes your nails look so much better when the rest of the fingers are taken care of. So that's my tip for today, my divas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. And if you love nails, please give this video a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to the channel, because that lets me know that you are enjoying this channel and that I need to make more content. And don't forget to ring the bell, please, so that you will be notified of every video that I put out. Well, until the next episode, my divas, you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And I want you to stay beautiful, my diva. See you on the next episode. Bye.